Guys. Bud, what are you doing? We got a video to make, come on. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. The Tacoma is looking absolutely awesome. We are all caked up. Literally, not even trying to, I was just driving up to my location to record, and we got a little messy. So Sandy is not going to be happy when I pull this into the driveway, but we are looking mighty fine. We got a fun one today. We're going to be talking about the 3 worst modifications I have done on the Toyota Tacoma as of now. A lot of people are asking me to do a mod walk around. This is kind of our intro to that mod walk around. We'll be doing that on Friday, I hope, maybe Friday. If you're interested in everything we've done to this truck, stay tuned. That will be in Friday's video. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy and learn from my mistakes, and don't buy these next 3 mods, or maybe buy them if you like them, but I wouldn't do them again. Make sure to leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription, as I'm about to save you some money. Nonetheless, starting with number 1. This one is a very debated topic, and if a company hadn't sent this out to me, I wouldn't have bought it. The gas cap holder. This thing is very nice. It is nice to have, but it's just in the way for me at this point. Like, I'm so used to just unscrewing this and then just slapping it right. I'm so used to just slapping it on there and calling it a day. Now that I have this, it does help, I won't lie. It's one of those things that you just have to adjust to. This is my 4th Tacoma, so I'm so used to just using this that, well, learning this, I don't know, it's just not worth it to me. Number 2 would be these headlights. Now, these headlights are extremely cheap, extremely affordable headlights, and for me, they do the job. We got the chrome side, we got the black side. We needed them to be black. That's all I needed them to be. Every now and then, I'm finding that there is a little bit of condensation all the way through them. So if you're on a budget and you don't mind a little bit of condensation every now and then, it hasn't happened to me in a little while, but it does sometimes, and it bothers me. I'm a very picky person, so when I go to Walmart and I park the truck and I see condensation, I kind of threaten the truck, like, when I get back, there better not be any condensation in you, boy. But yeah, that's the only thing. They're like $200 though. A lot of people were like, oh, Aing, buy some ARMREST headlights, brah. And I'm like, hell, yeah, that's like $2,000, buddy, because I need chrome and I need black. My Cash App is linked down below. But with that being said, I definitely think if you are going for a single look on your Tacoma, buck up a little bit and pay like $500 for some better, higher quality headlights. I know ARMREST is like the standard at this point, but I mean, $1,000, even if I was going to, I don't think I'd spend that on some headlights. And last but not least, the bull bar. A lot of people got on me for this one. The bull bar. Aing, what are you doing, bud? It looks gross. Why are you doing it? I don't know. I even made a video on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is kind of your own fault for not helping your boy out. YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. I'm also posting a lot of reels on Instagram, so go follow me there. We're almost at 200 followers. With that being said, I put up a video on my Snapchat and I was like, guys, what do you guys think about this bull bar? A company is willing to send this out to me. They want me to do an install video. How do you guys feel? And as of right now, I saw another Tacoma, fairly lifted, fairly beefed up, looked like mine without the bull bar, and it looked just a little bit cleaner, but I'm not 100% sold on getting rid of it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Mostly everything else on my truck, I'm like, I need it. Like, I love it. I cannot be without it, but the bull bar has me a little bit shooketh. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. It just seems like a little bit too much is going on. Let me know what you guys think. This is my number 3. I would not go out of my way and do it again. The install is not too bad. It's fairly simple, so I guess it's not too bad, but I'm mostly scared at the fact that people tell me a lot worse comes from this than better. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a bonus one right here, right now. This one, I blame Rob Motive. I don't know if this was because of Rob Motive's video, or maybe just because, no, it was definitely because of Rob's video. So he was talking about how the LED lights inside of the truck are too bright. Yes, and I agree with that 100%. These are fine. Okay, these are perfectly fine, but these vanity lights are no kidding. Like, watch how the camera freaks out. What the camera just did to try to focus is what your eyeballs do every single time. So if you use this very often, maybe consider just leaving these LED and not these into LED. I didn't realize how cakey this stuff was, but it's pretty cakey. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We are on our road to 4,000 subscribers, boys. We're at 3,600 subscribers. So if you liked the video, share it. If you didn't like it, share it. Someone will like it. But all that being said, I have to end the video here because I have some laundry to do. We like our Tacomas dirty, but we don't like our undies dirty. So I don't know why I just said that, but it's been your boy. I'm out like it now. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. I definitely just try to get subscribers, but with that joke, I just lost like 30 of them.